welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am really excited. I know I probably say that in the beginning of every video, but I am because today we do have our June 2019 Bauble mail, and this is an earring subscription for those of you that are not familiar. You do receive one pair of beautiful earrings every month, and usually a little treat, which is a nice touch. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It's only $8.95 a month, which is awesome because you get this gorgeous pair of earrings delivered to your door. So yay. So like I said, I will put the link down below, so definitely check them out, and let's get to opening this month's Bauble mail. How are you all doing? I hope you all are having a great day. All right, so we do have a little treat. We have a little pack of Haribo, I'm not sure how you say it, Haribo, the gold gummy bears. And then everything always comes in a little black sachet like this, and there is always a little card, and it always has like the best message on the back. So I love reading these little cards. So it says, celebrate everything. Life is full of small moments worth remembering. Don't miss out and celebrate everything. Love, Rebecca. And Rebecca is the owner and curator of Bauble Mail. So she does do the little cards. It is fantastic. I'll show you the back. So there's that. And I just think she does an amazing job at picking out these earrings. This is my 4th month, I believe, getting Bauble mail, and I have not been disappointed once. I mean, it is absolutely amazing every month. And the presentation is amazing, the little touch of the extra treat, and the card I think is super fantastic. So let's take a look here at what we got our earrings for June. One thing I do like about this, you can select silver or gold. I believe rose gold as well. So you do have the option to select what tone of metal you want, which I think is fantastic. And like I said, all the earrings I've received are different. Nothing is really even similar, so it's nice to get something that is totally different every month. So these are gorgeous, and I have not received anything like these, and I can already tell you that these are probably going to become a favorite pair. These are absolutely beautiful. And one thing that I do really like about the Bauble mail earrings is I have very sensitive ears, and I have had no issues with any of them as far as them irritating my ears or like turning a color. I know sometimes jewelry can do that, but I don't have that problem with any of these. I have a pair of earrings that you guys may recognize that are similar to this, but they're like all filled in, that I do wear a lot. So I'm actually really excited to have a pair that's like empty inside, I guess, that's just kind of framed, because I love this teardrop type style. You can see I'm wearing some rose gold. I just love earrings like this, so I am super pumped about these earrings. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to add them to my collection. What do you guys think? Do you guys get Bauble mail? Have you thought about it? I definitely recommend it. Like I said, you can't beat it. $8.95, and it's just fantastic. And then, like I said, the little touch with the little treat and the card, and every month the way the presentation is, the same with the little bag and the box, and it's just amazing, and I really enjoy the subscription. I do look forward to it every month. Like I said, I have yet to be disappointed. So that was my Bauble mail for June 2019. Let me know your thoughts down below. I do want to remind you guys, we do have our Upbox giveaway going on right now. That link will also be below for that video. It does end on the 16th, which is this coming Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the winner will be announced on the 17th, so this coming Monday. So make sure you head over and enter that if you have not. Also, please do hit that subscribe button if you have not already. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We have lots of fun here. And as always, please, like I said, leave a comment down below telling me about your day, what you thought of the earrings, and give the video a thumbs up because it does really help me out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye!